In today's video, I'm going to teach you to edit a PDF in Word. Open the PDF file directly in Word. Let's get started by opening Microsoft Word. Once Word is up, head to the File menu and choose Open. From there, click Browse so you can navigate to the exact PDF you want to edit. Select your file and click Open. This tells Word to load your PDF just like it would any other document. At this point, Word will display a message letting you know it's about to convert your PDF into an editable Word document. That's normal, and it's an essential step because PDFs aren't designed to be edited directly. Go ahead and select OK to start the conversion. The time this takes can vary depending on the size and complexity of your PDF. Simple, text-heavy PDFs usually convert quickly, while documents with lots of columns, graphics, or unusual fonts may take a bit longer. Once the conversion is complete, your PDF content will appear in a standard Word document. Now you can edit the text, replace or move images, adjust formatting, and make all the changes you need using Word's familiar tools. Keep in mind that the formatting might not be perfectly preserved, especially if the PDF has complex layouts, tables, or intricate designs. If something looks off, try adjusting spacing, realigning images, or simplifying elements like multiple columns. It can help to scan through headings, bullet points, and captions to ensure everything reads correctly after the conversion. As you edit, consider checking the document in Print Layout view to see how it will look on the page. If fonts appear different, choose a similar font installed on your computer to maintain a consistent look. And if your PDF was originally a scanned image, some parts may come in as pictures rather than editable text, so you may need to retype or replace those sections. When you're satisfied with your edits, it's time to save your work. Go back to File and choose Save As. Pick the location where you want to store your file. If you want to share it as a PDF again, select PDF in the Save As Type dropdown. This will create a new, shareable PDF with your changes. If you'd like to keep editing later, choose Word document to save it as a .docx file. It's a good idea to give the file a new name so you keep the original PDF intact. And that's it. You've successfully edited a PDF in Word and saved it in the format that suits your needs.